This is a spicy Mexican chicken soup. In the soup pot, we have 1 large, any color onion. We chopped up a red onion today. I'm adding lots and lots of garlic. I'm grating it right into the pot. To that, we're going to add tomatillos. So this
I love
taste like,
tomatillo.
this is gonna taste like green salsa. And then when Bob's done, we're gonna add the poblano roasted peppers to our soup pot. I'm using white or brown rice, doesn't matter. I'm using my recipe for green rice. What makes the rice green is I cook it in vegetable stock in this case, but I add all of these ingredients: cilantro, scallions or green onions when they're in season, jalapeno pepper, tons of spinach, and the juice of a lime. And I stir that all into
Look how pretty
the rice.
that is.
So I'm adding now my plant-based grilled chicken, 12 ounces, 1 pouch. The beautifully
They really
chopped,
cut very well.
beautiful
Who did that?
poblano peppers.
I mean, who cut those?
Our fire roasted corn kernels. I know! I don't care if you're the biggest meat lover in the world, you're gonna love this soup. And all of my special
Oh, you put that in there?
rice. I know. I added half a palmful of ground cumin to the soup. I forgot to mention that to you guys. So anyway, this is our souped up, super spicy chicken fake out. It's not real chicken, it's plant-based grilled chicken breast substitute. It is delicious and nutritious. As I said, this is a shout out to Tokaya, and they served raw, very thinly sliced jalapeno in the soup, and I loved it. So I'm gonna throw some of that in there as well. And then we're gonna ladle in our chicken rice. I made my green rice, our not chicken plant-based product, garlic, onions, poblano peppers. It tastes like a giant bowl of salsa that made out with your best chicken noodle soup ever. Oh, I know, right?
I'm
There's
ready.
something so comforting
I
about
mean, look at the colors. Like,
chicken or not chicken soup. I'm really embracing all of the plant-based diet recipes I've been developing. Do you love it?
I love it.
I know it's super hot, but it's really great, isn't it? It's delicious. It really is. I hope you guys try it.